Hi everyone! Want to streamline sharing on your iPhone? Namedrop is the answer. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how to enable Namedrop on your iPhone in iOS 17, making sharing contacts, photos, and more with friends and family easier than ever. Now let's go ahead to step 1. Please be minded that this is only applicable to those with iOS 17. If not, you just have to update it. Go to your settings and click the general option. Then, proceed to software update, whereas you can have the latest update of device. Once done, you need to open your settings again and scroll down until you find the general option. On general, click airdrop. This will show you the start sharing by bringing devices together. If you enable this, you can now easily swap numbers, photos, and more to another fellow with iOS 17 device. And that's it. So easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.